Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing money deposited into your account, even though you weren't working overnight. Sounds too good to be true? Not exactly. The reality is that passive income isn't about making money without effort. It's about building systems that continue generating income long after you've done the initial work. In this video, I'll show you 6 proven passive income business models that entrepreneurs around the world are using today. Some require almost no money to start, while others need serious investment but can produce long-term wealth. Let's get started. Number 1. Rental arbitrage. Rental arbitrage allows you to earn from real estate without actually owning property. You rent a house from a landlord with their permission and list it on short-term rental platforms. The difference becomes your profit. This model works best if you're organized, provide great customer service, and know how to keep occupancy rates high. Startup investment typically ranges from $5,000 to $15,000. Number 2. Print on demand. If you're creative, this might be one of the easiest businesses to launch. You design graphics for products like t-shirts or mugs. When someone orders, a third-party company prints and ships it directly. You never handle inventory, packaging, or shipping. Many start this business with less than $100. Number 3. Digital products and online courses. You create the product only once, but can sell it unlimited times. Whether it's an ebook, a template, or a complete course, your production cost stays almost the same regardless of sales. Number 4. Vending machines. Vending machines generate recurring income with minimal daily effort. Location makes all the difference. Once machines are installed, your main responsibility is keeping them stocked. Each machine typically costs between $1,500 and $6,000. Number 5. Laundromats. Laundromats require more capital but produce steady, reliable cash flow. People always need clean clothes. Modern laundromats use digital payments and remote monitoring, allowing owners to manage with very little involvement. Number 6. Self-storage facilities. This is one of the most passive real estate businesses available. With online bookings and smart access systems, many facilities operate with minimal staff. It offers stable recurring revenue. The goal is the same. Build assets that work for you instead of trading your time for money. Which of these interests you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more breakdown videos.